Hi everyone and welcome to my makeup studio. Now let's come. Come. So this studio looks over the garden. It's a very small kitchen garden, but it's lovely to work in such a place where you have greenery outside. I love it. And here it's my working station. So here I like to edit my stuff. Currently I'm working on a project. It's actually a documentary, but I'm editing here stuff for my YouTube video and TikTok as well. And then here I have a makeup station for my clients. Here is a makeup chair, and then I have my most essential makeup products and some of the brushes. And then, of course, a mirror and, a clean space to work in. This studio is actually not mine, it's from my father. There is a lot of his stuff as well, so it's a little bit of a working space. It's not completely, tidy. It's a little bit messy, and there is a small corner that you don't need to show where we have some storage. This place he actually built with my brothers, and there are some very beautiful features that I'm gonna show you. For example, the stairs that actually they are built with the brick, and on the other side we have like a heating device. It works almost like a stove, and it's really nice in the winter time because if you turn it on, then you can smell like the scent. It's like being in the sauna. And then some other very beautiful features, like the shelf up here, which he actually made. And I really like the ceiling as well because it's wooden, and the whole studio it's actually wooden. So it's really nice feeling being in here. It's like a warm, cozy feeling, especially in the winter time. Okay, and here it's actually where I record all the videos. So here is my main camera. And then here I have two big lights, which are actually for photography, but we reuse them for video. Here is my main big monitor so that I can see what I'm doing. It's not like sharp, so I'm not always sure if I'm completely in focus. So that's why I look a lot of the time on my left side so I can see myself. I'm in the center of the frame, and then I'm of course my camera is connected to the computer. Here I have brushes that I cover with a towel so that they don't get dusty, a mirror, and then a clean space where I can put my makeup. On this side I have two shelves where I'm keeping some stuff like my makeup, my skincare, fixing sprays, and then some pencils. And this window is actually covered with this black material because I don't want to have the natural light coming through, so that I can control the lighting inside so that I have a steady light all the time. And then I have here another light so that I can get a beautiful side light, like almost a backlight. And then on the other side I have a very old lamp. On one side I have a slightly more cool toned light, and then on this side I have slightly more warm toned light because I think that looks interesting. And then I have also this small light in the center. Sometimes you may see it so that the background looks a little bit more interesting and in different shades of this pink background. That's basically it, but now I'm gonna show you some other more makeup-y stuff here if you're interested. Okay, come to me. Okay, so I hope you can hear me well now, but here it's my recording station, or how can I say it? I hope you can see me there in the little mirror. I have actually two mirrors. There is one and then I have a small one there. So this works actually like additional light, because the big light reflects to my face and it looks just a little bit more professional because of it. Also, I have here a blue Yeti, I believe it's called, microphone, and then I connect this one to the power bank. It's just, I don't know, it just works for me the best that way. If you're enjoying this video, then please don't forget to hype it if you have that option on your phone, because in that way you're pushing forward my video. That would mean literally the world to me. I have like two main jars. One is for big brushes, the other one is for small brushes. I don't want to have too much brushes so that I can be focused and that it's not too much of everything, you know. And you can see behind the monitor, you can see the garden there, and then also the monitor and the makeup station with my client, which is actually perfect because I can have a client there and then they can come here and I can take a photo of them as well. And there is a small, very naughty cat, and she knows that she shouldn't come. You need to go out. You shouldn't be here. She knows that. Yeah, you shouldn't be here. You need to come out. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Also, I love the lights up here. Also, I have some different backgrounds stored back there, and additional table, additional stuff that can come handy if I need to take photos of certain products, not only for makeup, but for my job. A mirror, you know, things that can come very handy if you have like this kind of a studio. Of course, I have here some tissue, some micellar water, the alcohol wipes, and then a box of tools that I need to have close to me. And then also I like to have a box of products that I want to use in my next video, or like a rotation type of box so that I use different products. Usually I have here new makeup that I need to try, or very old makeup that I need to use up or use more often. So I just decided to show you how it looks when I'm sitting here. So usually I have this mirror a little bit closer to me, and usually it hides the microphone that I have here as well. So everything is quite crowded, but I just haven't found a better way of doing it because I need my mirror close to me to do my makeup. I just cannot do it very far away. And then there is a monitor where I can see myself, but I'm gonna probably buy a new one that is going to be a little bit more accurate, but it's good enough for me right now. Now let's check out all the makeup. So here I have eyeshadow palettes up here, and then there's a beautiful foundation from Lisa Eldridge. Here I have some eyeliners or eye pencils. I try not to keep too much product, so I like to give it away if I don't use it. So I try to have as minimum product as possible. Also, I have a lot of products in my makeup station as well. Then here are lip liners. I just love lip liners. And then the lip stain lip liners that need to be stored down. And then I have some fun from the Nessa Myricks liquid eyeshadows. Then some sprays, Vaseline and eyeshadow primers here. And then I have a skincare right here, SPF and all the other stuff. For the video, sometimes I just need to do my hair, or at least correct it. And then down here I have bronzers and contours, and then highlighters back there, then single eyeshadows here, and then some small eyeshadow palettes. Here I have all the mascaras, then some stick and liquid eyeshadows there. And then in the first drawer I have brow products, all the blushes here. and then some other additional fun stuff for my eyes back there. Then here I have all my lip products. So right now it's a little bit messy. I need to sort things out a little bit better, but for now this is how it is. Again, I try to give away a lot of the products so that I don't have too much, because I'm only one person, and yeah. And then here I have foundations. So a little bit more high coverage or medium coverage foundations here, and then I have here more tinted serums, BB creams, stuff like that, and then concealers, correctors there, powders back there, and then primers and drops, stuff like that here. And basically that's it. On the last drawer I just have products that need to be close to me. Again, hairspray, Q-tips, then stuff for my hair, basically, like iron, and then also some false eyelashes back there and wipes. That's a very quick studio tour, just so you can kind of see where I'm storing everything. And now I'm just gonna show you my makeup station for my clients. So here you can see, I'm not gonna go into details with this one. I can create a separate video for all of these parts, but I have a big light there, a mirror, and then like a plexiglass, and then another light there so I can clearly see what I'm doing. And then here in these drawers, they are super messy, but I have just some more stuff for my makeup. And here I like to store products that I'm gonna give away. So basically that's it. I hope you enjoyed my quick tour of the place, and see you in my next video. Bye.